What's going on, YouTube? I'm doing an unboxing video. I was doing it earlier on my phone, but it's acting weird, so I had to just do it directly to YouTube. So I didn't get to show you guys when they cut all the little straps and tape, but I mean, what's the point? You want to see the actual product anyway, so here it is. It's Maxspeedingrods. That's what it's called. It's Coilovers, 24-way dampening, fully adjustable. They were about $289 shipped. I didn't want to spend too much on no TNs or nothing like that. I just wanted something that was cool and ride it better. Because I have coilovers, but they're just on the stock shock, so they suck. They're heck of bouncy. I'm used to having suspension. I was going to get some function for them, but that's the fun spending that money right now. I can always do it later. I can always change them. I'll give these to my friend that just bought a Civic. I will be showing you guys his car in a future video when I'm working on it soon, but came with all four. Came with the little paper, the warranty, all that stuff. Tells you everything about it. Customer service card. It was packaged real good. I like it. Came out pretty nice. My bad if the video is shaky or whatever. I'm just on my phone real quick. I didn't feel like setting up the tripod. I've been busy and I have time. And I did get a tack light that I'm going to show you guys in my box. I did get my headlights and taillights. I think I did a video of one of them, but I didn't do a video of the headlights. But I did install them, but I'll show you the old headlights and show you the new ones so you guys can see the difference. And that's about it. I'm just waiting for this rain to go away. It was a couple sunny days, but I was working, so I didn't have time to actually do any installs. But right now it's going to rain for 3 days, so I got to wait. I still want to put my seats in and stuff. And the last part I'm waiting for is my quick release. Once I get that, then I'll be good to go. I can put on my steering wheel and everything else. I'm not waiting for any more parts. These are the last parts I got. I'm just waiting, like I said, for the quick release. That's it. And we'll go from there. So if you guys like my videos, keep on watching them. Like, subscribe, leave comments. And I'll see you guys next time.